when you observe in winter session. Now, when you observe especially in the hilly regions, mountain regions like in Jammu and Kashmir, lot of ice is forming on the streets. You can observe huge amount of ice is observed on the streets. Because of this, what happened? It leads to, isn't it, disturbance for what? Transportation of public, isn't it? So even whatever it may be, food materials, everything you are transporting, we can't do that one because of formation of ice on the roads, isn't it? Now इसको हम कैसे solve करेंगे? How can we solve this one? This type of problem can be solved by which type of colligative property, beta? Anybody? The blockage.
Depression, freezing point.
The blocking of ice on the road can be easily solved by what? Which concept? Depression in the freezing point. Now, for example, this is a road which is jammed by completely ice now, right? Now, if you pour some salt over it, on it, previous case, it's a that freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius. Previous case, it is 0 degrees Celsius. But when you pour some salt over on the road, NaCl you take some 10 kgs of NaCl, pour some on the road like this, because it is having huge amount of ice. So even if you add some 1 kg, 2 kg, it is a dilute only, because the amount of ice is what? More in this case. So pour some salt on the ice. Immediately salt completely dissolve in ice, because both are what? Polar. So definitely they can dissolve. Now because of this, the freezing point now will convert into -1 degree Celsius. That means at 0 degrees Celsius, you cannot call the freezing point of ice now. Now the freezing point of ice now convert into -1 degree Celsius. Now at what temperature ice will get melt better? Above what temperature ice will melt? Anybody?
-1 degree Celsius.
When you pour some salt, depend upon how much you're adding, at -1 degree Celsius, above the -1 degree Celsius, it will melt. That means at 0 degrees Celsius, definitely ice will get what? Melt. You cannot see ice at this temperature. Ice will convert into what now here? Water like this. Not completely water, at least it will convert into water. That means what happened here? Freezing point is decreased here. So simply by pouring something, spreading some salt over the ice, we can decrease its freezing point. Understood better? Any doubts you're having in this one? Shall I go for next slide now? You observe what we discussed. This is the thing actually. Now, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. When you add NaCl, or you can add even calcium chloride. Okay, NaCl, calcium chloride, any salt we can add that, which reduces the freezing point. Now, instead of freezing at 0 degrees Celsius, it will freeze much below 0 degrees Celsius. Lesser than the 0 degrees Celsius, it will now freeze. Now, with NaCl, the temperature falls to 33. That means you can make up to what? 33 degrees Celsius. Also, you can make. Which one? The freezing point of the water. It is possible to make, isn't it? The freezing point of that water up to what? 33 degrees Celsius also. Right? Next. What is the meaning of the freezing point here? We have discussed what is boiling point yesterday. Temperature at which the vapor pressure of a liquid is equal to atmosphere pressure, then the temperature is called what? Boiling. Now same thing we can take here also. Again the same temperature we are taking. The concept is again temperature at which, isn't it, the solid form, the liquid begins to separate out from the liquid. At this temperature, solid and liquid phase both are in equilibrium. That means ice and what here? Water. At what temperature? At what temperature? Both are coexisting here. Both are existing. Ice converting into water, water converting into ice. Below this temperature, we are calling as what? It's a freezing point. Now it will can freeze at this below temperature. Above this temperature, it will undergo melting takes place here. Above temperature, melting takes place. Below temperature, what happen here? Freezing takes place. Understood? Next. When a liquid is added to non-volatile solute, the vapor pressure of it decreases. Correct? Yesterday or last class only we discussed. When you add some non-volatile solute, vapor pressure always what happen? Decreases. This is called what? Lowering of vapor pressure. Already we have discussed this. Now, lowering of vapor pressure of a solution will cause us the lowering of freezing point. So, we can make two things better. Vapor pressure inversely proportional to boiling point. Vapor pressure directly proportional to freezing point. That means when you add some solute, vapor pressure decreases, freezing point also decreases. When you add a solute, boiling point, what happens here? Increases. This thing you need to remember in order to avoid the confusion. If you remember this concept, what happened, it will be easy for you. This is what easy for you. Already I discussed this one. Freezing point means both are in equilibrium. Solid and liquid are in equilibrium. Now when you observe again the graph, same graph already we have discussed in where? Boiling point. Now again, here I am taking the vapor pressure. Here I am taking the temperature here. On increasing the temperature, okay, this is actually, first of all, we see something. This one is a freezing point of the solution. TF is nothing but called freezing point of solution. Next, T naught F is nothing but called freezing point of solvent. Freezing point of solvent actually. Now, before adding the solute to the solvent, before addition of some solute to the solvent. Now, what happening here? This is actually solvent here. Okay, its freezing point is what? Higher one. It is what? High. Now, when you add some solute to this solvent, now the freezing point is what? Decreasing here. Now, this one is actually solution. Okay. Now, the freezing point, what happened here? Decreasing. Here it is getting. Even vapor pressure also what you see? Decreasing only. Isn't it? Now, how much decreasing here? This much. This much is decreasing. That I am calling as depression in freezing point. Depression in freezing point. Now, what is depression in freezing point? Delta TF. Now, which is higher value? Solvent or solution?
Solvent.
So, पहले क्या लेना? First, what we have to take here? Solvent we need to take. T naught F we need to take. Minus TF. So, this is a formula useful for us, isn't it? We calculate what? Depression in freezing point. If you know the freezing point of solvent, freezing point of the solution. But already we know this one. This freezing point is directly proportional to what here? Molality. Molality here. Now remove the proportionality. In that case, delta TF is equal to KF into molality. Now what is KF here? Ebullioscopic constant. Otherwise, depression freezing point constant. KF it is. Now molality formula already you know this one. In that case, delta TF is equal to KF into weight of the solute, molar mass of the solute, 1000 by weight of the solvent. So this is the formula you need to remember. Now, when you observe most of the problems in your textbook, they are from depression in freezing point, isn't it? You will get many number of problems on depression freezing points. ये formula आपको याद रखना है. Now, what is the difference between the delta TB? Delta TB and delta TF problem make what difference you are observing, beta? Any difference you are observing in delta TB formula and delta TF formula? Are you finding any difference? Tell me, are you finding any difference between the delta TF and delta TB? What difference you are finding here?
Sir, partial temperature is included.
No partial temperature. Here it is Kf is there. Here Kb is there. That difference. And after that, delta Tf is equal T naught minus T. Correct? Where in delta Tb, Tb minus T naught. This is the thing you are going to get difference. Here Tb minus T naught B. Here T naught F minus first T naught आएगा इधर. यहाँ पर first T आएगा. This is the difference when you are observing here. यहाँ पर Kb और isn't it? So once if you find out the difference, easily we can apply in different problems actually. Isn't it? अभी ऑलरेडी मैंने डिस्कस किया इसके बारे में, तो इसके लिए फिर से एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये भी मैंने डिस्कस किया, डेल्टा टीएफ ये भी हो गया, डिप्रेशन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट, है ना? राइट. Already I told you delta TF is directly proportional to molality. Now remove the proportionality, replace this word constant value, freezing point, depression constant or molal depression constant or cryoscopic constant. एब्लियोस्कोपिक कांस्टेंट किसको बोलेगा बेटा? एब्लियोस्कोपिक कांस्टेंट. व्हाट इज एब्लियोस्कोपिक कांस्टेंट?
Kb.
Kb, isn't it? Cryoscopic constant means Kf. थोड़ा याद रखो cryoscopic constant. Now what are the units for Kf बेटा? What are the units for cryoscopic constant का units कोई बोल सकते हैं? What are the units of cryoscopic constant? Otherwise, what are the units for eblioscopic constant? What are the units for eblioscopic constant? Yesterday मैंने डिस्कस किया. टेम्परेचर का यूनिट्स क्या है? केल्विन. मोलालिटी का क्या है? मोल पर केजी. सेम और डिफरेंट फॉर केएफ?
Same.
ये केबी के लिए सेम और डिफरेंट?
Same, sir.
Same only we get. What difference you are observing? यहाँ पर भी टेम्परेचर, यहाँ पर भी मोलालिटी, सेम ओनली. सो जो yesterday एक्सप्लेन किया आपको याद नहीं आ रहा है. You don't have any memory, small memory also you don't have. Yesterday only we have discussed this one, isn't it? We are discussing about this colligative properties. You are unable to remember this one. At least water is having certain memory is there. Water can memorize anything, but you are not doing. You think that water is not having any life in that one, but water can memorize many number of things. Water is more intelligent than you. Do you know that one? Water can memorize. Water is having some memory in that one, but you don't have that much amount of memory. Same thing. Kelvin, kg, per mole, isn't it? When it come here, what happened? You are going to get, when you bring this one, the kg per kg becomes what here? Kg. When you bring mole here, what happened? It becomes what? Per mole, isn't it? Yaad rakho, because in examination you may get in MCQs. Next, already we have discussed what is molality. Number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of solvent is nothing but molality. We have discussed many number of times here. And we already have taken the formula. So this is the formula we can write directly. What is the formula? Again, I am writing delta TF is equal to T naught F minus TF is equal to KF into molality, or KF into what? Weight of the solute, molar mass of the solute into 1000 by weight of the solvent. This is the formulas are useful bit. All these formulas are useful for you. Okay. Now when you bring this MB here, what happen here? Delta TF is equal to KF into WB divided by MB into 1000 by WA. Now bring this MB here and T delta TP here. Now we get MB is equal to KF into WB into 1000 by delta TF into WA. Now this is the formula for calculating what actually? Molar mass of the solute. Molar mass of the solute. This one. Same formula it is. Now in examination they may ask, derive a formula to calculate molar mass of a solute by depression in freezing point. So आपको क्या करना है? You have to derive this formula from where? Here. Okay. So this is useful for calculating the molar mass of what? Solute. Any parameter is not given that we can easily calculate by using given parameters. Any doubts you're having? Oh, this is the table.
No, sir.
Textbook. Textbook is given some data beta. Boiling point of water 373.15. Freezing point of water 273. Next. KB. This KB value always constant beta, that is 0.52. KF is also always constant, that is 1.86. This will be given in examination. They will provide this one. Okay. Now this will change whenever if we change what? Temperature. If I change this temperature, this value also will changes. It depends upon the temperature. Remember that. So this value always given in the examination, you can calculate the difference. So every solvent will have a definite KB values. Okay. They will have a definite even KF values also. Every solvent will have a definite KF and KB values actually. So no need to memorize this one. No need to memorize this one. Just observe. Every solvent is having what? A, KB and KF values. Problem discuss करेंगे. We will do one problem here. Now all of you read the problem and take the data now. Now 45 grams of ethylene glycol mixed with water. Now water is what here? Anybody? Water is what here?
Solvent.
Solvent. First of all, you have to do like this. Ethylene glycol is solute. Ethylene glycol is solute. Now, what is given here? WB is given. This is what WB. Now, this one is what? WA, solvent. KF, I told you KF, definitely they will give an examination. KF also given. Now, what we have to calculate here? Freezing point, depression in freezing point. Isn't it? Freezing point, depression, freezing point of the solution, we need to calculate. ये क्या है? ये freezing point of depression कौन? ये नहीं है actually. KF already given ना? Freezing point is given. ये निकाल दो. Already given no KF. Right. Now, what formula we have to use? Ethylene glycol देखो बेटा. Ethylene glycol formula is like this. CH2OH. This is called ethylene glycol. Now इसमें कितना कार्बन है बेटा? 2 carbons are there. C2. Next, how many oxygens are there? 2. How many hydrogens are there? How many hydrogens are there here?
6 sir.
6 आर देयर. नाउ मोलर मास कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं आप? 12 इंटू 2 24. नेक्स्ट 16 इंटू 2 कितना हो जाएगा? 32. नेक्स्ट 6 1 इंटू 6 टोटल कितना हो रहा है? 6 + 4 10 12. नेक्स्ट 3 5 6 62 हो रहा है ना, करेक्ट और रॉन्ग? मोलर मास. So molecular weight of the solute is getting what? 62. Now molecular mass of solvent कितना हो रहा है? 18. 18 हो रहा है. So all we got here. Now all of you take the formula and do the problem. Calculate the freezing point of the solution, all of you. जल्दी करना है आपको, 2 मिनट देता हूं, कंप्लीट करना है आपको. फॉर्मूला ले लो. T0F minus TS Anybody got answer? Nobody got answer now.
Sir, 2.25 Kelvin.
2.25 Kelvin. Rahul?
Yes, sir.
Answer. Are you doing the problem or not?
Yes, sir.
आंसर कितना है आपको? What answer you got? Not listening. Not listening to class. This should be the answer for you. Now, first thing you need to calculate delta TF. KF into M. इतना छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम भी आपको नहीं आ रहा है. KF कितना दिया? 1.86. मोलालिटी का फॉर्मूला क्या है? वेट ऑफ द सोल्यूट. वेट ऑफ द सोल्यूट कितना दिया? 45 ग्राम्स आई थिंक. मोलार मास ऑफ सोल्यूट कितना है आपको? 62,000 बाई वेट ऑफ द सॉल्वेंट कितना दिया? 600 ग्राम्स दिया. कैलकुलेट करने के बाद डेल्टा टीएफ कितना आएगा आपको? 2.2 आएगा. और डेल्टा टीएफ एक तो हो गया फर्स्ट थिंग. डेल्टा टीएफ इज इक्वल टू व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? टी नॉट एफ माइनस टीएफ. डेल्टा टीएफ यू गॉट 2.2. टी नॉट एफ दे डोंट गिव बेटर, यू हैव टू टेक दैट वन. हाउ मच लेना है आपको? 273.15 लेना है आपको, नहीं तो 273 ले लो. TF. Now TF यहां पर सेंड करो. TF is equal to 273.15 minus 2.2. तो सब्स्टिट्यूशन करने के बाद आपको आएगा 270.8। दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन यू हैव टू डू। ये भी नहीं आ रहा है कुछ लोगों को आपका क्लास, isn't it? You got a beautiful brain is given, that brain you are not using. Very simple problem it is. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
देखो बेटा, ये फार्मूलाज भी आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में रहते, जनरली केबी का फार्मूला और केएफ का फार्मूला आपका टेक्स्ट बुक में रहते, ये केबी का और केएफ का भी रहते। केएफ का एक फार्मूला रहते, ये मैं ऑलरेडी मैंने बोला ये 1000 क्यों आया, दिस इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द मोलारिटी, isn't it? सो ये याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है, फिर भी टेक्स्ट बुक में है, एक बार देखो, इसमें तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। RT नॉट स्क्वायर, isn't it? We don't have any problem on this one, you can leave this one. Using also we can calculate the KF. KF ऐसा भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। अभी हमने 1.86 लिया ना, आपको कैसा आया वो, ये सब्स्टिट्यूशन करने के बाद आया। इतना जरूरत नहीं है, इसको छोड़ने की। Before starting the last colligative property, osmotic pressure, I will discuss tomorrow only, osmotic pressure. We will do some exercise. There in the ये प्रॉब्लम आपको करना है बेटा, आपको ये भी करना है प्रॉब्लम। We do, all of you do this problem by itself. Take this problem. Weight of the solute, WB. Weight of the solvent, WA. The freezing point of benzene, depression freezing point, 0.4 is nothing but delta TF. How much is decreased? The freezing point depression constant. This is what KF value. This is what KF value. Find the molar mass of the solute. This they are asking. Okay, you got delta TF already. You got delta TF. You got already. Now KF into weight of the solute divided by molar mass of the solute into 1000 by weight of the solvent. करो ये weight of the solvent करो, अभी ये फार्मूला ले लो, do that one all of you. Very simple problem it is. In examination also you will get this type of problems. Delta TF is given. How much is given delta TF? कितना दिया बेटा?
0.40.
सभी वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट किया सभी ने, आर डूइंग द प्रॉब्लम, अदरवाइज सिंपली मोबाइल बैठकर देखकर बैठ रहे हैं। ऐसा कुछ नोटबुक लिया आपने, नोटबुक में लिख रहे हैं जो कुछ हम एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं। टेक द टेक्स्ट बुक।
Yes, sir, writing.
हाँ, डू दैट वन एंड सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम। से यस आर नो, अदरवाइज मेरे को क्या लगेगा। आपने ये दो प्रॉब्लम किया बेटा, कल मैंने एक ये प्रॉब्लम दिया, होमवर्क हो गया ये, मैं नहीं करता हूं इसको, आपका होमवर्क मैंने पहले ही दिया, ये दो होमवर्क। 2.11 मेरे को सैटरडे, ऑन सैटरडे यू हैव टू कंप्लीट ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज। कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज का जो कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, उस जो मैंने रोज दे रहा हूं ना, वो प्रॉब्लम्स आप सॉल्व करके मेरे को सबमिट करना है ऑन सैटरडे। ना ये आपको अभी करना है बेटा 2.11। मैं इसमें क्या दे रहा हूं आपको, डाटा दे रहा हूं, ले लो एक बार। कैलकुलेट द मास ऑफ द ascorbic acid। ओके, देर आस्किंग द वेट ऑफ द सोल्यूट, देर आस्किंग dissolved in 75 grams of acetic acid. Now weight of the solvent is given 75 grams. Next, acetic acid means what? CS3COOH beta. Acetic acid means CS3COOH. इसमें क्या हो जाएगा, 2 कार्बन हैं, 60 हो जाएगा, जनरली इट इज 60 बट आई एम सेइंग हियर 2 कार्बन मींस कितना लेना है आपको, 24 लेना है। 2 ऑक्सीजन कितना लेना है आपको, 32 लेना है। और 4 hydrogens means you have to take what, 4, therefore how much you are going to get, 60. So molar mass of solvent is 60 हो रहा है, राइट। नेक्स्ट, बाद में दे आर गिविंग व्हाट, C6H8O6 बेटा। इसका मोलार मास आपको कैलकुलेट करना है। दिस इज सोल्यूट, मोलार मास ऑफ सोल्यूट, मोलार मास ऑफ सोल्यूट कैसे करना है, फार्मूला देखो, अगर 6 इंटू 12, यहां पर 6 कार्बन है, 6 इंटू व्हाट, 12, हाउ मच इट इज, 72। नेक्स्ट 6 इंटू व्हाट, 16, कितना हो जाएगा बेटा, 16 इंटू 6 कितना हो जाएगा, 6 6 जा 36, 6 1 जा 6, 96 हो रहे हैं यहाँ पर, 96। नेक्स्ट कितना है ऑक्सीजन, सॉरी हाइड्रोजन, 8, 8 प्लस 2 10, 16, 10 7 176 हो रहे हैं। मोलार मास ऑफ सोल्यूट इज व्हाट, 176। ये भी हो गया। किसी ने प्रॉब्लम कंप्लीट किया, एनीबॉडी हैव कंप्लीटेड द प्रॉब्लम, नोबडी। केएफ आल्सो गिवन, केएफ इज आल्सो गिवन, केएफ भी दिया 3.9 दिया केएफ, KF is also given 3.9. Now they are saying what happened, कितना लोअर हो गया, लोअरिंग ऑफ मेल्टिंग पॉइंट कितना हुआ, 1.5, दैट मीन्स डेल्टा TF 1.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस। नाउ टेल मी द आंसर, विशाल टेल मी द आंसर बेटा। एवरीथिंग इज गिवन, simple problems, formula, Vishal is not there,
Yes, sir.
tell me the answer, tell me the answer। हाँ, गाना आ रहा है मतलब आप टीवी देखकर ये इसमें म्यूट किया आपने, विशाल।
यस सर।
ये गाना कहाँ से आ रहा है, कौन सा फिल्म का है वो?
सर न्यूज चैनल है सर।
न्यू चैनल, न्यू चैनल का मतलब यू आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग विशाल।
सर 5.0 समथिंग।
5.0 समथिंग, कौन बोल रहे हैं? आंसर किसने बोला अभी? ये डाटा आपने लिया, सभी लोग ऐसे ही कर रहे हैं आप? आर यू डूइंग इन दिस वे ओनली? डेल्टा TF लिया मैंने, KF लिया, WB
Yes, sir.
लिया, MB लिया, WA लिया, तो सॉल्व करो, मेरे को आंसर बोलो, जल्दी बोलो आंसर। Answer. What is the answer, beta?
198, sir.
Yes?
198, sir.
I'm not understanding what you're saying. Nobody got answer means what? This is a simple problem. You are not writing answer means you are not doing anything. Abhishek? Abhishek Sharma?
Sir, 5.08.
5.08, sir.
वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, अपना ही नहीं दे रहे हैं. 5.09 is the weight of the solute you got. Anybody other got same answer? Apurva? Apurva is absent today. Ashif? Ashif, absent. Adarva?
Yes, sir.
आंसर कितना है बेटा आपको? व्हाट आंसर?
5.08, sir.
5.08. Now we have done the problems in the last class. I think यहाँ पर आपने कुछ ये प्रॉब्लम किया, ये भी किया, ये भी किया और ये भी किया शायद. यहाँ तक किया आपने कुछ. Most of the whatever the topics we discussed we have done up to here. 2.20, 2.21 both are related to freezing point, right? Both are related to freezing point. So let me do this problem also today. Tomorrow I will start osmotic pressure. So we'll do this problem. A 5% solution of cane sugar in water has freezing point 271 Kelvin. Calculate the freezing point of 5% glucose in water if freezing point of pure water is 273.15. Is the type of relation is you have to consider here. So this is a very simple problem. We'll do this one later. We'll try to solve this problem. Here only I will solve it. Now 5% cane sugar means, what is the weight of cane sugar beta? 5% means
5 grams.
Very good. 5% cane sugar means 5 grams cane sugar means what? Sucrose. 5 grams of sucrose. That is C12, H22, O11. 95 grams is what actually? What is 95 grams? Water. 5 grams of solute, 95 is what? Solvent, है ना? 5% का मतलब क्या है? 5 grams in 100 grams of solution, in which solvent will be always 95 grams, right? Next, it has a freezing point. Freezing point कितना है बेटा इसका? TF. What is TF is given here? 271 Kelvin. Next ले लेंगे 5% of glucose. 5% of glucose in water. Glucose in water. In which again 5 grams is what here? Glucose. C6, H12, O6. 95 grams again what? Yes? Water. Water here. Next. Now, after this what happened? The freezing point for this one. Freezing point of pure water they are asking. During the freezing point, calculate the freezing point of this one. आपको यहाँ पर TF कैलकुलेट करना है, ग्लूकोज का TF कैलकुलेट करना है सॉल्यूशन का. ना वाटर का फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट इतना दिया 273.15 दिया बेटा. The water freezing T naught F is given what? 273.1. Okay. So glucose solution, they're asking the glucose solution freezing point they're asking. What they given? Sugar solution freezing point is given. तो इसको कैसे करना है? कंपेयर करना है दोनों को. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल टेक फॉर केन शुगर. फॉर केन शुगर आई विल टेक. फॉर केन शुगर आई विल टेक बेटा. फॉर केन शुगर. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर्मूला इज क्या है बेटा? फॉर्मूला इज एवरीवन नोस डेल्टा टीएफ इज इक्वल टू टी नॉट एफ माइनस टीएफ। वो लेता हूं मैं, टी नॉट एफ। टी नॉट एफ कितना है बेटा? 273.15 माइनस टीएफ ऑफ केन शुगर कितना है? 271, isn't it? Is equal to next weight of the solute 5 grams. Molar mass of the sucrose कितना है बेटा? Anybody knows?
Sir, 342.
342 into 1000 by weight of the solvent 95 grams है ना? into केएफ दिया यहां पर बेटा, केएफ दिया इधर, इस केएफ इज गिवन हियर, इस केएफ इज गिवन और नॉट? टेल मी, केएफ दिया इसमें प्रॉब्लम में? नॉट गिवन, केएफ इज नॉट गिवन। केएफ आपको कैलकुलेट करना है इधर। केएफ इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा इधर? चैतन्य एब्सेंट है, चैतन्य टुडे? Nobody is speaking. 273.15 माइनस 271 कितना हो जाएगा? 2.15। ये कितना हो जाएगा? 5/1 5000, 5 into 1000 कितना हो जाएगा? 5000 डिवाइडेड बाई 342, अगेन इट इज डिवाइडेड बाई, कितना होता है? 342 इंटू 95, 32,490। तो आपको क्या करना है? 5000 डिवाइड बाय 32,490। पॉइंट 15 इंटू के एफ। के एफ इज इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा? 14.3 आ रहे हैं, करेक्ट?
यस सर, 14.3।
14.3 आ रहे हैं ना? नाउ ये केएफ आपको कहां करना है भाई? सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है इसमें, ग्लूकोज में। नाउ व्हाट इज द फार्मूला फॉर ग्लूकोज? सेम थिंग आपको लेना है, 273.15। सॉल्यूशन आपको पता नहीं है, टीएफ लिखो यहां पर। अगेन वेट ऑफ द सोल्यूट कितना है? अगेन 5 ग्राम्स। यहां पर ग्लूकोज दिया ना, तो मोलार मास इज व्हाट? ग्लूकोज 180,000 बाई वेट ऑफ द सॉल्वेंट अगेन 95। केएफ कितना आया आपको? 14.3 आया। तो सब्स्टिट्यूट करो यहां पर, आपको आंसर आएगा। यू विल गेट आंसर हियर, अंडरस्टूड? सो इफ यू डू सिंप्लीफाई दिस वन, यू विल गेट द डेल्टा टीएफ वैल्यू। इधर भेजो इसको, आपको आंसर आएगा ये आपको होमवर्क कंप्लीट करो बेटा इसको। मैं दूसरा प्रॉब्लम लेता हूं, ये 2.21 लेता हूं, इसको कंप्लीट करके क्लोज करूंगा आज। 2.21 two elements A and B forming AB2 and AB4, 20 grams of benzene. When you dissolve 1 gram of AB2 lowers the freezing point by 2.3 and 1 grams of AB4 lowers 1.3 Kelvin. Molar depression constant is given 5.1. So calculate the atomic mass of A and B. ये करना है आपको, ट्राई करेगा, मैं तो करना है इसको। Will you do this problem?
यस सर।
ओके, AB2 AB4 कर सकते हैं। देखो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं डेटा लेता हूं, इधर इधर ही करता हूं, बस अब इसको एराइज करता हूं इसको पूरा। और कुछ क्लासेस हैं आपको रोज?
सर कंप्यूटर का होता है।
क्या?
सर CS क्लास होती है।
ओनली CS क्लास?
सर इंग्लिश भी होती है।
इंग्लिश भी? अच्छा, अच्छा। अभी है क्लास, कब है बेटा क्लास आप?
12:20।
12 इंग्लिश कब है?
सर केमिस्ट्री क्लास से पहले होता है।
अच्छा,
हाँ संतोष, ऑफिस में आप? गुड मॉर्निंग। मैंने ना व्हाट्सएप किया है, वो ऑफिस ऑर्डर निकालना है ना कमेटी का। हाँ उसमें ना वो तुम्हारे पास लेटर आया होगा शायद, 2 एक्सटर्नल टीचर वाला, वो जैन हेरिटेज से जो आ रहे हैं। हाँ तो उनका नाम इसमें ऐड कर देना नीचे, और एक बार जो है ना प्रिंट निकाल के सबको चेक करा देना, फिर जो है ना कुछ करेक्शन होगा तो मैं कर या कर देना। अच्छा हाँ चलो मैं आता हूँ, ठीक।
this problem will do here. AB2 AB4, two types of molecules solutes are there, two types of solutes are there, one is AB2, other is AB4. When 20 grams of benzene, the solvent is what? Benzene beta. So weight of the solvent is given how much here? 20 grams. AB2 solute का weight of the AB2, this is what solute B of AB2 is given 1 gram. Next, when you take again weight of the, again one more solute of AB4 वो भी 1 gram है. So if you add 1 gram of solute to 20 grams of solvent, which one? AB2 type, the lowering of freezing point, depression freezing point, how much better? 2.3 Kelvin. This is what delta T of value. इतना हो रहा है delta T. But when you add 1 gram of AB4, this one, AB4 to again same amount of 20 grams of solvent, the lowering of depression freezing point कितना हो रहा है बेटा? 1.3 Kelvin. Understood the question here? When 1 gram of AB2 lowers the freezing point by 2.3 Kelvin, whereas 1 gram of AB4 lowers it 1.3 Kelvin. And Kf also they given how much it is? 5.1 Kelvin temperature. They're asking what is the atomic mass of A, atomic mass of B. Very simple. When you add 1 gram of AB2 solute to 20 grams of a solvent called benzene, the depression freezing point is 2.3. When you add 1 gram of AB4 type of solute to solvent called benzene 20 grams, the depression freezing point is 1.3. This is a simple problem, है ना? तो what we have to, दोनों को कंपेयर करेंगे इसमें. First of all, I will take for AB2. पर AB2 ले लेंगे first of all. For AB2, depression freezing point कितना है बेटा? 2.3. I'm directly I'm writing बेटा. Now Kf कितना है? 5.1. Weight of the solute कितना है बेटा? 1 gram divided by what is the molar mass? Anybody? What is the molar mass? AB2, we don't know that one. Into 1000 by weight of the solvent कितना लेना है? Anybody? Weight of the solvent कितना लेना है?
20 ग्राम.
20 grams. एक ये ले लो ऐसा. और दूसरा ओलेक ले लो, कितना हो रहा है सेकंड में? डिप्रेशन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट 1.3. सेम रहेगा 5.1. Again, weight of the solute is again 1 gram. Molar mass is what? AB4. We don't know that one. Into 1000 by weight of the solvent again same only, it will same only. ना ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा बेटा, ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये 1 भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 5.1 भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो रिमेनिंग व्हाट यू आर हैविंग. अदरवाइज नहीं तो एक काम करो, इसको कैलकुलेट करो अभी, MAB छोड़ दो बेटा, एक काम करो, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं आप. इसका वैल्यू बताओ मेरे को, नहीं तो ये छोड़ दो, इसका वैल्यू बताओ एनीबॉडी. व्हाट इज MAB2 वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? MAB2 इज इक्वल कितना हो जाएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस वन, कितना हो जाएगा? फाइंड आउट दिस वन. जल्दी करना है. कितना हो रहा है? 110. सिमिलरली AB4 आइडेंटिफाई करो इसमें, AB4, MAB4.
$196 सर.
196 हो रहे हैं. वेरी गुड. 196. But they are not asking molar mass beta. They are not asking molar mass. What they are asking? Atomic mass. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं? Molar mass is 110 है ना? This is what 110 है ना? एक काम कर, इधर ही करेंगे. This is what 110. Now इसमें आपको this 110 में आपको, इस 110 में आपको ये कितना है? एक ही है ना? 1A you are having. And how much you are having? 2B you are having. Correct or not? और इसमें भी you are having 1A and 4B you are having. Correct? Tell me correct or not?
Yes sir.
No. आपको क्या करना है? एक इक्वेशन 1 ले लो इसको, और सेकंड को इक्वेशन 2 ले लो. इसको you take this is इक्वेशन नंबर 1, इक्वेशन नंबर 2. Now what you do? 2 minus 1 कर दो. इक्वेशन नंबर 2 minus 1 कर दो. 2 पहले ऐसा लेना है, 196 is equal to A plus 4B, ऐसा ले लो. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड इक्वेशन, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन क्या है? 110 is equal to A plus 2B. दोनों को क्या कर रहे हैं हम? सब्सट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं, है ना? नाउ सब्सट्रैक्शन करने तो ये माइनस से गेट कैंसल. नाउ यहां पर कितना आएगा आपको? 86 is equal to कितना आएगा आपको? 2B. नाउ B is equal to कितना? What is B? 43.
43.
मास ऑफ बी कितना हो रहा है बेटा? 43 हो रहा है. एटॉमिक मास ऑफ ये कैसे कैलकुलेट करेगा आपको? ये फॉर्मूला में सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. एक फॉर्मूला ले लो, इक्वेशन 1 और 2 ले लो. विल टेक एनी इक्वेशन 1 और 2 नाउ. इक्वेशन नंबर 1 ले लो.
24 सर.
हाँ, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन क्या है? 110 is equal to A plus 2B. 110 A plus 2. 2 is equal to what? 43. Now क्या हो जाएगा? A is equal to कितना हो रहा है? 100 minus 86. कितना हो रहा है? 14 हो रहा है. Atomic mass of A is nothing but 14. You have to do in this way problem. With this, I have completed what? Depression in freezing point actually. Understood better? So these are the problems we have completed in depression in freezing point. Right? And tomorrow we'll discuss osmotic pressure and remaining problems also we'll discuss. If you have any doubts, you can ask me now. Otherwise, you can log out.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
sir.